face. Wash your face. Wash your face. Aw, there you go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna show you guys Chloe real quick. I see you, I'm getting you. So, it is Sunday, and I'm going to the mall with my aunt. She was in my last vlog, my birthday vlog. I'm going with her and possibly my brother is coming. Here is my outfit. So I got like this really cute thermal looking sweater. It has a hood, so I guess like hoodie with like no shoulders, I guess you would call it. I really like it. I got these Army Adidas leggings, and then I got my red Pumas. So, yeah, that's my outfit for today. Before she picks me up, I need to walk my dogs, which I do this every day. I have 3 dogs and 1 cat, so I have to walk them. I have to feed all of them, so I have to feed 4 animals. And then yeah, I could go. We all have responsibilities, but those are mine. My room is kind of messy, so don't judge me. If you guys want like a room tour video, just let me know and I'll always make one. Obviously, like, I'll clean my room first. I have no makeup on today. I don't know how I feel about it. What are you doing? What are you eating today? You're eating turkey feast? Today what I'm gonna do is just mix the dry food with some wet food. This is gonna be so good. There you go. 1's done, 3 more to go. So I got dry food, and then I got this. There he is. Caesar, hungry? China, hungry? Lola, hungry? Yeah, good girl. China's eating, Lola's eating, and Caesar is meditating next to Buddha. Caesar, why won't you eat? Well, hey, I fed you, so my work is done here. I could go. Caesar, snack? Oh, you're spoiled. You are one spoiled pup. Are you excited to eat?
What do you think?
Brunch?
So excited.
Brunch or lunch?
Brunch and lunch and drink and lunch.
Let's get it. We're at Nordstrom right now. They have the best shoe selection.
Nordstrom Rack.
Nordstrom Rack.
So it's like last season, but still totally in style. If you go with like a classic shoe like this, that would have been, it's Tory Burch, it would have been $300 at the store. It's $119 here.
That's awesome.
You can like always wear it with pretty much anything. Like, you know?
Oh, these are really cute.
So cute.
Oh, wow.
These are Tory Burch too. Like, black boots don't go out of style.
Never.
Look how cute these are.
These are so cute.
Aren't they?
Yeah, they were $238. They're $150. Let's go look at our shoe size.
Right behind us.
Oh. I like shoes like this.
Those
Like
are
they're
cute.
simple and classy.
And B.Gold makes the most comfortable shoes.
Ooh, these Docs are so cute.
Yeah, they are.
They're too like shiny for me though.
Is there such a thing as too shiny?
I don't know, is there?
No. There really isn't. These are cute.
Those are cute. They're like the
Steve
Balenciaga style.
Right?
I feel like everybody's copying Balenciaga now.
They are.
They are cute though.
Aren't they? Nude.
Cute.
You like them?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, these boots are so dope. So dope.
They're 6.5 though. I think they're a little big.
Oh my god, how sick are these? What? I would even wear them with those pants and probably just like a bralette, like a red bralette.
I would wear it with this outfit.
Yeah.
My sneakers are red, so.
Ha.
I wish they had my size.
They're so cute. I'd laugh if you fell in the process.
You like my mermaid socks?
Oh wow. So fancy. Fancy mermaid socks. Hold on.
This sweater is the cutest. This one's cute too. What about this Puma dress? Oh my god.
The white balance is 1,290.
What is it? Babe, you're so classy. Let me see what you did over here.
Yeah, you want it to be right, of course. Yeah,
But we have no problem with it, Lisa. We really like that.
Let me see that,
you guys
babe.
need anything right
Yeah, we need strawberry jam. This usually comes with cream cheese and strawberry jam.
You want that?
If you don't mind, thank you.
I got a California omelet.
So good. You're gonna get
It looks so good. Oh,
I got
yeah.
some butter.
Thank you so much. We told her that.
I like those.
Me too. I think I have to get these.
I Millie rock on any black.
Not the white though. I can't get white.
Yeah, you can't. How about black?
Yeah, them's the ones. Oh, Lord.
It comes with a hoodie too, babe.
It doesn't come with it.
Well, obviously, you have to buy it separately.
Here.
Fitting room. So I'm at the kids. What store is this, babe?
Kids Foot Locker.
Kids Foot Locker. And I really like these. I'm an extra small in women's Adidas, so they said I would be an medium in kids, and these are so much cheaper. Like the
45 to 70.
yeah, these are 45, and then the women's ones that I would get an extra small are 75. So if these fit, I'm saving. Save, save, save. And they fit. Yay! So we're about to be going home, and then I'll show you guys everything we bought today. You what, babe? You quit? You quit smoking?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's this?
We got so much stuff!
Look at this.
And we got the best stuff.
Macy's Foot Locker, Kids Foot Locker, PacSun.
It's like so nice out.
Oh my God, that is our car. Oh no, that's the gay GT one.
Oh, it's gay?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh yeah, there's my baby. I just want to let you guys know I'm like the best sister ever because I'm sitting in the back of my own car so my brother can sit in the front.
Shut this.
And he's not even really that happy about it, so. How does it feel, Anthony? You feeling it? Are you tired?
Baby China.
Say hi, baby. So we just got home from the mall. Oh,
Oi.
my knees hurt. This is my outfit I got.
Love it.
This is a bodysuit. And then I got these Adidas pants that I was showing you guys. I
Yup.
got for like $45, which I'm really happy about because we were always buying them for me for $75, not knowing like I would fit in the kids' store.
Literally just bought one a week and a half ago for $75 each side, top and bottom.
Yeah. So I got this bodysuit. It's so cute, and I'm still gonna wear with these pants. Like, I love it.
Me too. Love the outfit.
Don't like move too much though.
I just want to see where the light's the best. There it is. Much
And
better.
then like the back
Yes.
is like.
The tag's hanging out on your butt, babe.
What should I do with it? Put it in?
Yeah.
I just bought them, obviously, but.
First
I
try
love the
on.
back.
Me
So,
too.
like, obviously, like with the bodysuit, I could wear these in the summer. I love them. And then I got, of course, my MAC Fix Plus. It's so good for like priming and setting your makeup. And like, I always use it to like make my eyeshadow pigments like really pigmented. And then I got this Honey Love Nude lipstick. I always wanted it, but it was always like sold out or whatever. And then, babe.
Here comes my shit. Yeah.
It's really
That shirt is so hot. Love that color.
I love it. I love this like sports suit, whatever you would call it. You got
Tracksuit, I guess you would call it.
duh, tracksuit.
Yeah. Yeah, that joint's
With the
fresh.
orange.
Orange and green. Greenish, grayish, green. Something like that. Really hot though.
And then with that, you got this.
The top, yup. I'm not really one to really wear a full tracksuit, but
Russian gangster.
yeah. So I'm going Northeast Philly Russian gangster with that outfit.
Northeast Philly. Telling everybody like where we live and shit. Anyway,
Champion.
love
Yeah.
this.
Yeah,
I love how Champion's coming back. Isn't it crazy? It's from like the 90s, isn't it?
literally.
Like it was like literally
Last
shit.
2 years ago, I would have never wore anything from Champion.
Yeah.
Show the shorts and the shirt though,
Together.
babe. Yeah.
These
Look
shoes
at
are
them
so hot.
shorts though. What? Yo. Love them shorts.
And then you could wear this with the Gucci Vans we just got.
Oh my God, the plug Vans.
Shout out to the Ace family. We
Shout
love
out
you.
Ace family, plug Vans. Hashtag plug Vans.
Yes. And then I love this shirt.
Yeah, me too. I like that shirt
I
a
love
lot.
like the hot pink and blue. Like the colors look so good together. And then the back.
Adidas. What?
And it's Adidas. It's so fresh.
Love that shirt.
That would be so hot with my outfit. Like with my pants.
You look hot in everything, baby.
And then let me see the camera so I can show them what you got.
Oh, yeah.
And then
The Vans sandals. And I got these Nike pants, too. With my dog's hair all over them already. But yeah, I like the way these Johns fit.
Yeah, they fit so nice.
Got the buttons at the bottom, like the classic ones.
Ooh.
Just 2 buttons, though. Not all the way up, because that's just weird. But, yeah, these are hot. I like them. They got like a pleat down the middle and the side.
And they look so good on you.
Yeah. This is the outfit. What? So fresh. Oh my god. Yo, these shorts and this shirt. Oh my god. This is the hottest thing that I own right now, I think. For real.
It is so hot.
Imagine me hopping out of the new Beamer with this. Oh my god. Yo, fresh white Beamer, black tints, champion.
You're so funny.
With the hair?
Oh, that hair. I love it.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
And with my pit bull next to me and my beautiful fiance. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
We're like unstoppable.
We are,
It's like
baby.
crazy.